Hi everyone, today we are going to install OpenJDK17 in our Kali Linux machine. To do so, let's open terminal and let's check which version is available in our Kali Linux. So I will type java hyphen hyphen version, hit enter. Let's see, we have OpenJDK 11 is available, but we want which version? OpenJDK 17. So let's search it in our in the cache of Kali repository. Here it comes. So here we have lots of actually not lots of only OpenJDK 11 and 17. There are various version of 17 and 11 as well, but we are going to install this one. So let's copy. Mm. So here we can see OpenJDK 17 is available. So let's copy it and let's say sudo apt install control shift v, hit enter, enter your password, type y, press enter, wait for few seconds. So I'm going to pause this video until then. So we left with few seconds now. Fine. So finally the timer. So it's unpacking the JDK17 JRE headless MD64. It is going to unpack few packages inside it and will install inside our machine. Here you can see 56% completed and 59. So it's completed. Let's check with command java hyphen hyphen version. So you can see now JDK17 is available in our system. Let's check Java compiler as well. Java C hyphen hyphen version and Java C is also available. That's great. Let's create a program in Java using a Vim and we'll run it. Say test.java. Uh, so let's put some extra string inside it. Say Java, sorry, my bad. Java installation completed. Let's save it. First, compile it. We are going to compile it. Java C test.java. So our compilation is done. Let's try to run it. Java test. So here you can see our message is getting printed on our console. So our setup finally completed. We will see you in the next video where I will show you how you can install IntelliJ IDEA and Eclipse in your Kali Linux. Until then, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.